Introduction to Python Programming. Hello and welcome to Smarter Everyday. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your coding skills, Python is an excellent language to start with. Let's get started. Why Python? Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a fantastic language for beginners. It's used in a wide range of fields, from web development and data science to artificial intelligence and automation. Plus, it has a massive and supportive community, which means you'll never be short on resources or help when you need it. Installation. Before we dive into writing our first Python program, let's make sure you have Python installed on your computer. Head over to python.org, download the latest version for your operating system, and follow the installation instructions. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Your first Python program. Alright, now that you have Python installed, let's write our first program. In Python, we're all about keeping things simple. Here's the classic hello world program. Print hello world. Yes, that's it. We use the print function to display the text hello world on the screen. Isn't that cool? Basic syntax. Python has a clean and easy to understand syntax. It uses indentation to define code blocks, so it's crucial to keep your indentation consistent. We'll cover more on this in upcoming videos, along with variables, data types, and control structures. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming Python tutorials. That's it for this introduction to Python programming. I hope you're as excited about learning Python as I am about teaching it. Stick around for more in-depth tutorials, and remember, practice is the key to becoming a confident Python developer. Thanks for watching.